Hello, my dear friends. It has been a good day. So now I'm going to give you all a important notice, a important notes. What is this important notes that I'm going to give you all? See, when solving problems, you all studied since your school days and also in your college days that one thing is necessary to solve a problem. What is that necessity thing? That is the necessity thing that you always need to remember when solving a problem is formulas. Formulas. This is very important in solving any problem. When you solve a problem, you have to need solution. To get that solution, you must have this formulas, list of formulas. You must have the list of formulas in your separate paper and also in your mind. You must by heart this list of formulas. So what is the first formula? As I told you all, the definition of Laplace transform. When I say the definition, you must remember the formula. What is the formula for the definition of Laplace transform? Here it is: L into f of t is equal to integral 0 to infinity e to the power of minus st into f of t into dt. This is the first formula. Now we know the second formula is, the second one is L into f of t. See how I have made a list of formulae in this paper. See, these are all the lists of formulae that I have made in this paper. In the same way, when you are studying, not when you are writing exam, when you are studying, you must have this paper as a separate paper for the list of formulas. And the list of formulas is for Laplace transform. You must have this separate list of paper for the Laplace transform. Okay, so what is the first formula? The first formula is L into f of t is equal to integral infinity to 0 e to the power of minus st into f of t into dt. The second formula, that is L into f of t, is equal to f bar of s. Okay, so this is the second formula. Now comes the third formula. What is the third formula? L inverse of f of t is equal to f of t. Okay, so this is the third formula. And what is the another formula? Fourth one is L into C1 f1 of t plus or minus C2 f2 of t is equal to C1L into F1 of t, okay, plus or minus C2L into F2 of t, okay. So where C1 and C2 are constants. C1 and C2 are constants, okay. So this is the first formula and this is the second formula and this is ಹೌದು ದಾಡಿ ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಬಂದೈತೆ ಬೆಕ್ಕು. Third one is this formula. Fourth one is L into this formula, okay. So what is the fifth formula? The fifth one is the very highlighted formula. The fifth formula is the highlighted formula. What is that fifth formula? This is the fifth formula. Bernoulli's generalized rule, nothing but Bernoulli's rule, okay. So this is Bernoulli's rule, okay, fantastic. This is Bernoulli's generalized rule, fantastic. So what is this formula? Here it is, integral u v into dt is equal to u integral v into dt, okay, that is good, minus u dash integral, that is double integral v dt into dt, okay, plus u double dash triple integral v dt into dt minus so on. So what did I do now in this session? I made, oh man, I'm so rough. I made the list of formulas for Laplace transform, okay. What is the first formula? This one, L into f of t is equal to integral 0 to infinity e to the power of minus s into f of t into dt. The second one, L into f of t is equal to f bar of s. The third one, L inverse of f of t is equal to f of t. The fourth one, L c1 f1 of t plus or minus c2 f2 of t is equal to c1 L of f1 of t plus or minus c2 L of f2 of t, where c1 and c2 are constants. The fifth formula, Bernoulli's generalized rule, that is integral u v dt is equal to u integral v dt minus u dash double integral v dt dt plus u double dash triple integral v dt minus and so on. So like I said, you must make the list of formulas in your separate paper and also in your mind. So what I am going to do this, I will keep this separate paper, that is I am going to tear this paper. I will tear this paper and I will keep this separate paper separately. I will keep this separately when I am solving the problems. I will look into this list of formula and I will solve the problem. Simple. So when you are solving problems, you will come across various extraordinary list of formulas like Bernoulli's generalized rule. Okay, so another various extraordinary formula you will come across, and when you come across, you must take a note of that in this separate paper. You will have at least 5 to 6 separate papers when you make a list of formulas, so that it will be easy for you people when you solve the problems. Okay, see you all in the next session.